Hi, welcome back. Today, I'm very happy to have three of my really good friends and also prominent players in the Taiwan startup ecosystem to share with you their insights and experience in startup investments. First, we have Paul Wu, an entrepreneur and an angel investor.
Hello, everyone.
Thank you, Paul. Then we have Brian Huang. His law firm helps many startups in the fundraising process.
Hi, Leroy.
Finally, we have Joe Huang. His VCs invest in many startups in Taiwan and across Asia.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, Joe. So from your perspective as a VC, what are the things that you look for in the early stage startups, and also what would be some of the advice you would give to them?
So we're actually a Series A VC. We actually have much more data that we look at when companies pitch to us. So that's actually the inflection point of when you go from a company that is just working on our MVP, their minimum viable product, and when they start seeing some traction, that's our sweet spot where we like to invest in different companies. Most of the time, when we're looking at these companies, they actually have some type of revenue or active user growth or market size that we can actually sort of sink our teeth into and do some type of analysis for whether this is a good or a bad company. A lot of times we like to look at your cost per acquisition and then your cost per acquisition versus your lifetime value. So then we want to know, okay, how much does it cost to bring somebody in and how much money you make off this person? So this is these types of terminology and KPIs are very important for any startup to look at and also elaborate on when they pitch to us. One other thing that we definitely look at is your retention. A lot of people have this really great idea. People come in, they want to play with your app or they want to use your product, but then in 5 days, 7 days, they leave. If your retention isn't strong, because that means your product has some type of hole in it that is causing people to be very distrustful or dislike what you're offering. The three big things that we look at is customer acquisition, the lifetime value of that customer, and then the retention of that customer. That's for people that actually have revenue or products. Usually, we're already paying attention to the investments or the startups that are available in the market. If you're a good company, if you're investable, there's a very good chance we are already looking at you. As a VC, we're always looking in the market. We're always doing our research in all the startups that are available to invest in. Or the founder needs to give me a reason to put my money in you. And that reason needs to come from the data. The most important thing as a founder that you need to do is actually do your job well. So hit the KPI, get the CAC right, get the LTV right, get the retention right. We will definitely be looking for you and calling you.
Thank you, Joe. I hope you invest into even more Taiwan startups. Thanks, Sherman. That's a wrap. I hope you enjoy the content and we look forward to seeing you in our Term Sheet Bootcamp. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.